So to create a study tool, I created a Kahoot, and it's over my objective of learning cattle breeds. And so I just picked a few cattle breeds and then put the answers on. And what Kahoot will do is it'll put the question up and then randomize the answers, and then students on a different device can click the answers, and it'll record all the answers and then put like how many people answered one question right, and the other answers on the screen, so that a teacher could like discuss a question, or could go back and get results. So this is a great way to like review. It's also a great way to administer quizzes, and it's super user friendly. To create one, you just go up to create, and I used quiz because that's the only one that I've ever used. So you just put in a title, and then put in some hashtags so that people can actually like look it up, and then you click. So like I do like breeds, and then put hashtag ag ad, and then I could put up a picture. So what I did was I put all of my cattle breeds in one folder, and then that way I could just go back through and find every breed of cattle that I wanted to test over, because there's hundreds of breeds of cattle, but only a few are extremely important to the US economy. So then after that, just to add a question, go up here, you type your question. So like I typed a bunch of which breed is this. You could also type like sometimes for some reason it's kind of it does weird things sometimes. When you want a backspace, but you could also type something like where are Angus cattle from, and then put England, Scotland, South Africa, America. So just give options, and then to pick the right one, you pick this one, or you just click on the check mark. And then the really cool thing is you can actually just make all of them right. You can make two right, but for this question, there's only one right. And then just click next, and your question appears, and then you can save it and you can publish it. So I think this is a super user friendly survey app, and it can definitely be implemented in my classroom.